Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video is going to be all about how how you can position yourself to make life-changing income in Exitus Elite. If you've watched my other videos, you've already known I came in at the G1000 level, and the reason why I did that is I wanted to take advantage of most of the training that Exitus Elite has. And I also wanted to have the ability to make the $100 commissions, the $250 commissions, the $500 commissions, and the $1,000 commissions. Because not everyone that joins will necessarily come at the G1000, but there is a 90% chance that they will, because there's a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 than any other level, and there's good reason for that. Basically just what I said. Well, there's a lot of people out there that want to position themselves to make those life-changing commissions, and you can take advantage of all the training that's inside them as well, because all the at your highest level that you come in at Exitus Elite, all the lower levels come at you at no extra cost. So you get them at no extra cost. So you get all the trainings of the lower levels as well as the level you came in at. So Exitus Elite, you can really position yourself to make really good income. And that's the reason why I really wanted to join Exitus Elite, is because you don't have to bring in hundreds of people to start making a really good income online. You can just have a few good commissions. Let's say I brought in 3 G1000 people. That's $3,000. I don't have to work anymore. I might still just pad my income a little bit, but I don't have to work a lot, that's for sure. Or to tell you the truth, I don't have to work at all. If that came in every month, $3,000 came in every month, I'd be all set, and I could start paying down some debt. That may actually be the reason why I would still work a little bit, just to have that little extra income coming in, so I can throw it at some of my debt. So Exitus Elite is definitely a life-changing opportunity if you're willing to work, and if you're willing to be dedicated and stay consistent in your marketing. As you can see, over the last 3 weeks, I have put up a lot of content. I think I put up 18 to 20 videos now, and most of them are just me talking right here in my car to you guys. And my sponsor, when he first started, all he had was his phone and a $3 stand, and he just placed it on his kitchen table, and he told people how much he loved his business, how much it meant being home with his little boy, and that's really what you got to do. You got to connect with people. Me personally, I'm not married, I don't have kids, but if I did, bringing in that extra money for myself and my family would help a lot. And that's what you got to do, really. You got to show your excitement. You got to show that you love your business, and that you are going to connect with your people that you bring in. That's why I have my contact information all over the place. It's in my description. It's in the sales page that you'll see if you end up joining Exitus Elite. Inside the contact me button, there's my phone number. There is my email. So if you need to talk to me, even before you join, you can do that. I am here. I'm here to help. And one of the jobs of your sponsor is to point your people in the right direction, and then get them to get to the point where they're doing things on their own. And I'm not saying I'm going to handhold everybody. I can't do that, because if I did that, I wouldn't have enough focus on my own business. Now, I'll call if you have any questions. I'll walk you through stuff. I'll help you. There have been times in the past where I've actually made a personal video just for the person so they can actually see how to do things. I have screen capture software on my computer, so I can share my screen and I can just make a video and show you exactly how to do something. And you should also just look at my videos, because I may have content up on my YouTube channel already that answers your question. So I do have some videos I'm going to do soon. One on the entire back office of Exitus Elite to show you what everything is in there. I also am going to be doing another product video about the products, where I'm actually going to show you inside what you get, what kind of training you get and everything. I did a quick video the other day about the products. You should watch that one. It's really good. And that's what I'm doing. I'm connecting with my people. And it's only going to get better for you the more consistency you get out there. And you know, it's all about consistency and working hard, applying action, testing things to see if they work. If they don't work, you don't do it anymore and you try something new. You learn from your mistakes if you make some failures, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do to stay consistent. And what was I gonna say? I'm unscripted, guys, so sometimes I lose my train of thought. So anyways, that's how you position yourself in Exitus Elite to make life-changing income. Now, if you can't come in to Exitus Elite at the G1000, come in as high as you possibly can, because you want to unlock as much income and profit in your business as you can, and come in as high as you can afford, you know. So that's how you position yourself to make life-changing income in Exitus Elite. And I have a lot more content coming out. I am full on board with Exitus Elite. It's my go-to business. I'm now promoting also on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm just expanding my distribution network on where I promote and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please write a comment below or hit the like button. If you want to contact me, all my contact information is in the description below. I may flash my number up here on the screen. I don't know yet, but it's there and you can contact me. You can also contact me through the Facebook Messenger app. There's a little phone icon in there. Just hit that button. Contact me, Matthew Letendre. You can also send me a friend request, which will be really great too. So that's another way we can connect with each other. My Facebook link is also in the description below. And also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it, so you'll get so you'll get notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.